Hello, my little learners. Today we will learn the AB word family. Let's sound out every word together. K, a, b. K, a, b.
Cab. Cab equals taxi.
D, a, b. Dab, dab. Touch lightly.
G says G. A says eh.
B says b. G, n.
Gab. A says J. A says eh. B says b. J. Jab. A jab is a quick punch.
L, A, B. Lab, lab. Lab.
A, N, B. Nab. T, A, B. T, A, B. Tab. A tab is a label. Excellent! Today we learned the AB word family. Practice every day, read aloud, and become a smart reader. See you in the next phonics lesson. Bye-bye! Let us learn the AG family. Look at the smart board. BAG says bag. You are doing so well. Now RAG says rag. The letter B joins to make the word bag. Look at this cute school bag with books inside.
Ag, tag.
Letter R joins. A soft cleaning cloth. R-A-G, rag. Watch the letter S join the group. Now it spells the word sag. Let's fill up this cloth bag. See how it sags because it is full. W-A-G, wag. A happy puppy wags its tail. Watch it wag.
A-G. Bag. Tag. Rag. Rag. Sag.
Let's learn the AD family. AD family. Letter A says A.
Ah.
And letter D says Da. A plus D equals AD.
Mad. Sad. Dad. Pad. Bad.
Let us learn the AM family. D. Am.
Dam.
R. Am. Ram.
Ram.
A plus M equals AM.
Ham. Ham.
Look at that fluffy ram! Let's spell the word ram. R brings it all together. R-A-M. Ram!
D
Dam.
Letter Y joins.
Yam.
A fresh yam vegetable appears in a basket.
Jam. Ham. Ram. Yum.
Let us learn the an family. C-A-N spells
Can.
M-A-N spells man.
Man.
V-A-N spells van.
Van.
Well done everyone. बच्चों, आज हम an word family सीखेंगे. A plus n is equal to an. सब बोलो an.
C plus A-N equals can.
An. Can.
What do we get? That's right, man.
Take the letter P and add A-N. Put them all together and you get pan. Watch the letter R. Add A-N and what do you get? It spells
Ran.
V-N. Van.
Can fan. Man pan run one.
Excellent बच्चों, आज हमने an word family सीखी. कल मिलते हैं एक और नए word family के साथ. Bye. Today we learn the app word family. Let's say cap.
Wow.
Now let's try map.
Look, it's a map.
You did a wonderful job. Hello बच्चों, आज हम सीखेंगे AP word family. सब मेरे साथ बोलो.
First, take the letter C and add AP. That makes cap.
M plus AP equals
Map.
M plus AP equals
Map. What does N plus AP make? That spells nap. Time for a rest.
Take the letter S and add AP. What do you get? You get say P.
letter T plus AP equals
Tap, tap. Tap, tap, tap. Nap, sap, tap.
Excellent बच्चों, आज हमने AP वर्ड सीखी. रोज प्रैक्टिस करो और इंग्लिश रीडिंग में एक्सपर्ट बनो. बाय. Let's learn the at words. Here is bat.
Bat. That is a bat.
Wonderful. Now let's say cat.
Cat, bat, hat. We love them all.
हेलो बच्चों, RT साउंड वर्ड फैमिली सीखेंगे. सब मेरे साथ बोलो. A plus T equals AT. Very good. अब हम AT से नए वर्ड्स बनाएंगे.
Letter B plus AT equals Yay! Bat! Yay! Bat!
Let's put these letters together. What does that spell? That makes a cat.
F. F plus equals fat. H plus AT equals hat. सब बोलो hat. M plus AT equals mat.
Very good.
Matty.
I am letter P.
Hi there, Peter P. Look at us, Pat. Look at us, Pat.
S plus AT equals Sat means बैठा.
What do we get when we add R to AT? Let us put them all together now. That spells a brand new word, rat.
Rat, mat, sat.
एक्सीलेंट बच्चों, आज हमने 80 साउंड वर्ड फैमिली सीखी। रोज प्रैक्टिस करो, एक्सपर्ट बनो। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वर्ड फैमिली के साथ। बाय।